Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the Soccer Steam Cleaner. So as you can see right here, we have it here pulled up on Amazon. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a high pressure steamer for multi-purpose. So as you can see, you can use it for your interior car interior, like your seats, your bathroom, and your kitchen, and a lot more. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. You just pour water inside, and you basically just steam. So you can also steam the grease off your grills here, and steam dirt off your car, inside your refrigerator. So as you can see, if you scroll down here, so this person said 5 stars, and this person said 1 star, disappointing product, 5 stars, 4 stars, 1 star, 2 stars, 2 stars, and 1 star. So there are a lot of negative reviews about this product, and there are also a few good reviews about it. So this product is a bit of a hit or miss, so I doubt that this product works, is a scam. However, I think that this product doesn't work that well. You will need to do some more cleaning if you really want to get out those hard dirts and not just use this steamer right here. And yeah, that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.